Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, it's me again, Sazimin. Okay, so today I want to talk about how you're going to express the percentage as a fraction in its lowest term. Okay, let's get to it. So now I've prepared four questions, for examples here. So and if you remember from the last lesson, percentage means it's over 100. So let's do the first question here. So 8%, if you want to make it into fraction, it becomes, it's 8 out of 100. Okay, so, but then we're not done yet because you have just expressed the percentage as fraction, but we need it in lowest term. Lowest term means we need to make it as simple as possible or as small as possible. So 8 and 100, you can divide both by 2. So if you divide 8 by 2, you will get 4, isn't it? And 100, if you divide by 2, you will get, yes, that's it. It's 50. Now we have 4 out of 50. Do we end there? So you always check whether your answer can be made into smaller one again. So let's take a look here. 4 and 50 both can still be divided by 2. So again, we do that. 4 you divide by 2 to get 2, and then 50 you divide by 2 to get 25. So you get the answer 2 out of 25 as our final answer. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 2. So 45%. Again, it's easy. 45%, it means the fraction is 45 out of 100, isn't it? Now, as you can see here, 45 and 100, you cannot divide by 2, especially 45. Okay, so what do you divide by? Okay, we can always try divide by 3 or divide by 4 or divide by 5. But then, since 45 here is a factor, is a multiple of 5. So which means that we can divide by 5. So 45, if you divide by 5, you will get 9, isn't it? And 100, you can divide by 5 to get 20. So that our answer is 9 out of 20. Can you still make it smaller? I don't think so. Okay, so that's our final answer, 9 over 20. Sorry, 9 out of 20. Okay, and then number 3 here, 72%. So 72% means 72 out of 100. Of course, as you can see here, the numbers behind is 2. So which means most of the time you can divide by 2. So 72 divided by 2, what is it? Yeah, 72 divided by 2, you will get 36. And then 100 divided by 2 to get 50. So 36 out of 50. And 36, again, you can divide by 2. Keep on doing it. Divide by 2, you will get 18. Then 25. So you get 18 out of 25. Okay, are we clear so far? Okay, now this one might be a little bit tricky, but there are 2 ways for you to do this one, but I'll just I'll just use the previous lesson. If you remember last time, we said that 100% is actually 1. So we take this one, 100, it's 1 already. So now we focus on 85%. So which means that we can make it becomes 85 out of 100. And of course 85 you can only divide by 5. So 85 you divide by 5, you will get 8 divided by 5 is 1, so you get 3. 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. So 100 you divide by 5 to get 20. So what's the fraction here? Yes, it's 17 out of 20. Now we can combine this answer, whole number, and this fraction to get a mixed number. So which means our final answer is 17 out of 20. Okay, so that's our lesson for today, for this time in this video. So I hope you find it useful. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.